Yes.
We're in Terminal 3 of Phoenix Sky Harbor Airport.
These are the original set of elevators. And we got this one. Old Montgomery plate. These are from the 70s or 80s. I know that for sure.
That must be the original fornicator up there.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I see the Montgomery plate down there.
Let's go to 8. And then get off at 1.
Yeah, since we'll need to come back here to get to the others.
Let's switch sides.
Okay.
Get off at 1.
Level 8, parking.
So this is the Terminal 3 parking garage.
Well, yeah, we'll just the original set in Terminal 3 overall. But yes, this serves a garage.
And of course I got
And
Hanny.
I got Alex.
Level 1, ticketing, baggage claim, ground transportation, access to gates.
I don't know why they didn't put a 6th one there. There's only 5 elevators.
There could have been a 6th one. Maybe they removed it.